So students, we are just going again in the back. This is the chapters which we are going to cover today in this lecture, cell structures and function. Now the cell question is going to be completed, reproduction in animal reaching the age of adolescence, sound, synthetic fibers and plastics, chemical effect of electric current and conservation of the plant. The first question already you have seen about and you have given me the answer, and that question is, in the unicellular organism, tissue work in the coordinations to perform the different function. Unicellular organisms do not require food. Unicellular organism respires and they reproduce. All unicellular organisms move by cilia. Very fast I am doing, so all of you do that. Unicellular organisms have the one parts and one cell body. Muscle cells are branched, and the basic living unit of the organisms is an organ, and amoeba has the irregular shape. So answer is true, false, false and true. Choose the correct answer. Already I have given you. Majority of the cells cannot be seen directly with our naked eyes. Because of that, you know, the organisms are generally unicellular. Cells are microscopic. Cells are present only inside the body. Cells are grouped into the cells. So cells are microscopic. Read the different combination of the terms given below. Cell wall, cell membrane, unicellular plastid, cell wall, nucleus, ribosomes, chromosomes, the cell membranes, mitochondria, ribosomes, chromosomes, and the cell membranes, ribosomes, mitochondria, and chloroplast. So students, you have already written that answers and we have discussed. If you not, then you write it. Which one of the following term is not the part of nucleus? That, you know, the ribosomes. It's not the parts of ribosomes, chromosomes, nucleus, genes. Whatever the right answers, you write it into that. Suitable terms for the various component of the cell is tissue, cell organelles, chromosomes and genes. Whatever the right answers, please you write it here. The jelly-like fluid substance present in the cell, that is called protoplasm, chromoplasm, chloroplast, cytoplasm, that is cytoplasm. Read the following pairs of example of organism: moss and sponge, yeast and amoeba, bacteria and the blue-green algae, penicillium and spirogyra. The pair that belong to the group prokaryotic is, already you have seen that bacteria and the blue-green alga, that is the right answer. Read the following terms and select the pairs that is related to the inheritance of the characters: cell wall and the cell membrane, chromosomes and mitochondria, chloroplast and the cell membrane, chromosomes and gene. That already you have given me that answer. Not given, then please write the answer. Choose the correct statement. Genes are located in the chromosome. The cell is located in the nucleus. Chromosomes are located in the nucleus and cell membrane surrounding the nucleus. What is the right answers? Please write it very fast. The green color of the leaves is due to the presence of the pigment, that is chlorophyll, ribosomes, mitochondria, chloroplast. Discussed. You write it. Answer. The unit of the measurement used for the expressing dimension size of the cell, that is centimeter, millimeter, micrometer, meter, whatever. I have already explained you. You just write the answer. Come on. The most important function of the cell membrane is that control the entry and the exit of material from the cell. Controls only the entries of the materials into the cells. Controls only the exit of materials from the cell. Allow the entry and the exit of material without any control. You write it very fast. Paheli accidentally placed her hand over a flame of the immediately pulled in the back. It means that when he put her fingers on the flame, is going to be take back. So she felt the sensation of the heat and reacted due to the action of blood cells, skin, surface, nerve cells and the nucleus of cell. You know the nerve cell is the right answer. Which of the following cell organelles is found in the plant cell, animal cell and also bacterial cell? Chloroplast, cell wall, cell membrane, nucleus. I have explained. You write your answer. The thread-like structures present in the nucleus are nucleolus, chromosomes, gene and ribosomes. Thread-like, that is, I think, chromosomes. Identify the statement which is true or false. So cells can be easily seen with the naked eyes. Insect egg is not a cell. Single cell can perform all the functions of the unicellular organism, and the size and the shape of that cell is uniform in the multicellular organism. So you write the answer, whatever the correct. Which of the following is not a cell? RBC, bacterium, spermatozoa, virus. Virus is a microorganism. Which of the following features will help you in a distinguish a plant cell from the animal cell? Right answer very fast. Cell wall, cell membrane, mitochondria, nucleus. I will tell you the answer later. Which of the following features will help you in the distinguish a plant cell for the animal cell? Under a microscopic, Paheli observe a cell that have a cell wall but not distinguish nucleus. The cell that she observe is the plant cell, animal cell, nerve cell, bacterial cell. So write their answer. chick cell do not have cell membrane, nucleus, Golgi apparatus, plastids. So that is the answer is plastids. So this is the chick cells do not have this thing. So identify the correct statement. This is a group of dissimilar cells, an organ consisting of the similar cells. Vacuoles are the not found in the plant cell, and prokaryotes do not have a nucleus. Write your answer. Which of the following statements are not true for the eukaryotic cell? So your answer for this question, identify the correct statement. So correct statement, you write it down very fast. Tissue is a group of dissimilar cells. An organ consists of similar cells. Vacuoles are not found in the plant cell. Prokaryotes do not have the nucleus. Which of the following statements are not true for the eukaryotics? They do not have a nucleus membrane. They have a cell organelles nucleus. They have a nuclear membranes. Blue-green algae are the eukaryotic cells. So whatever the right answer, you write down. Identify the correct statement about the cell. All the cells have the nucleus. Cells of an organ have the similar structure. Cell of tissue have the similar structure. The shape of the all type of the cell is round. So you write your answer. Come on. Here students, some of the very short answers I am giving you. That is very short answers question. In the ellipse name the cell organelles and pigment that is responsible for the green plant. The instrument which is used to observe the cell is. Why do not sense any pain when we clip or nails or cut our hair? Why? In a cell, where are the genes located? Amoeba and paramecium belong to which category of organisms? And what are the functions of the cell wall in the plant cell? I hope this you have done. Next chapter we are going to do that. I am giving you the answers of the 18. 18, all of you check your answer. Next chapters we are going to discuss after this very short answer. We are coming on the reproduction of animal. The very first question, the number of the egg produced in the internal fertilization is more than external fertilization, less than external fertilization, more or less than external fertilization depending on the environment condition, and equal to the external fertilization. So right answer you write down. Reproduction is essential for the living organisms in order to continue their species, maintain growth, fulfill their energy requirement, and keep the individual organisms alive. You write your answers. How many parents are involved in the sexual reproduction? 0, 4, 2, 1. So how many parents are involved in the sexual reproductions? That you write down the 0, 4, 2 and 1. After fertilization, the dash divides repeatedly to give rise to a ball of shell. So the right answers you write down. Budding is seen in dash, human, amoeba, hydra and bacteria. Budding is seen in human, amoeba, the budding is seen in human, amoeba, hydra and bacteria. So you have seen into the reproduction. The first question I have given you the number of egg producers in the internal fertilization. That answer also I have given. Reproduction is essential for the living organism in order to continue their species, maintain growth, fulfill their energy requirement, keep the individual organisms alive. How many parents are involved in the sexual reproduction? I have given you that is the 2 parents. After fertilization, the dash divides repeatedly to give rise to a ball of shell. Ovum, sperm, zygote and embryo, that you write it down. So this is the question for you. Budding is seen in the human, amoeba, hydra and the bacteria, you know hydra. Which of the following is not a part of the male reproductive system? Vas deferens, ovary, testes and penis. A paramecium reproduces by dividing itself into the 2 daughter cells. This process is called budding, regeneration, binary fusion and vegetative propagation. Okay. The female gametes produced by the ovary is called as it is a haploid in nature. So it is nature is haploid in nature. So all the students, you see this, write your answer. Which of the following is the site of the fertilization in human uterus, fallopian tubes, ovary and vagina? So fertilization in the humans, where it happens, you know very well, because uterus is the different place, ovary is also the different place, and vagina is the different place. Through there, that intercourse is going to be happens, and this fallopian tubes, and that is the places. Which of the following is the site of the fertilization in the human? So uterus is that places in the difference. So here the answer is, what is the answers? You write down, that is the fallopian tubes. So which of the following is the site of the fertilization in the humans? Means after the fertilization, means after the intercourse by the vagina and the penis, and just goes inside of that in the following fallopian tubes. Which of the following is not on the oviparous and animals? So here, students, you know the cow, silkworm, hen, and frog. What is the oviparous and what is the viviparous? That you know.